What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. The day has come. It's time to swap the axle out on this thing. So let's not waste any time. Let's get started. We got a lot to do. I got to get a lot of things done before next weekend for this trip. So sit back, enjoy, and if you're not already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. Give me a like, thumbs up, whatever you got. Drop some comments. But let's get going. Perfect. All right, everybody. So the old axle is out. So I got to pull the side right there. These lines that I cut under here, these are the ABS lines. I'm not going to need those anymore because this new axle doesn't come with the ABS sensors, and I didn't want it anyway. This is kind of nice because there's two holes right here, so if I ever run any kind of external lighting or anything like that, I can just use those holes to run the wires through. What I need to do is I need to get the shafts out and press these lugs here out. So as you can see, I run these spacer and adapters on my truck because I'm running the wheels or the rims off of like a newer Wrangler. So of course the bolt patterns aren't the same, so I have to use an adapter on it. The problem is those studs are really short and they don't really thread on all the way. So I went and got these here. It's a longer stud for it. It is, I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, there you go. So anyway, it's a longer stud for it, so it'll bolt on a lot better. Won't have to worry about anything coming loose. The old ones, I never had a problem with them coming loose, but these studs here are a lot shorter than the ones on the Dana 35. So okay, so a few things have changed since I've been working on this thing. Everything on the axle is going just fine. All the brake lines, I already switched these over. These here. I got my new e-brake cables that came off the old axle. These will go right into the new one. I got those kind of free floating around. I was going to pull the shafts out because I was afraid that over there on that side I was going to hit the wall before the shaft would come out. But it looks like, and I've measured and remeasured a few times, it looks like it's going to work by pulling the shafts out with this thing in. So I'm going to go ahead and bolt this thing in. I'm not sure how much of the head strap footage went through. I won't find out till editing. But I am going to just go ahead and set this thing on a tripod and let you guys watch from here on out. But so far, this axle swap's going really easy. And let's see if we can get it wrapped up. I do still have to take these out and have these pressed out and put new ones in, the longer ones. But I'm going to do that at my brother's shop. So anyway, let's finish this thing off, get this axle in here. Once that's all said and done, we'll get the locker in, and we'll be out on the road.
Oh, I hope so. We just gotta find it first, and we'll think it's real easy.
Oh, this is a pain when you're doing it alone. I remember doing this the first time. Still wasn't fun. All right, everybody. Well, that's going to do it for this one. As you can see, the axle is in. See here, get some bad angles. Everything on this thing was a direct swap over. And I went from the Dana 35 to the Chrysler 8 1/4. So all the brakes, everything here was a direct swap over. All my lines, you got both side brake lines, the e-brake cables, everything swapped right over. Now all this stuff here is new. I bought that when I redid the lift the first time. I wanted all new hardware back here. So the best part is everything just swapped over. Like I said, the ABS system, I did just go ahead and cut the ends of the lines because those won't be needed anymore because this doesn't have ABS anymore. The only thing you will have to get if you are doing this, new perch plates and U-bolts. They are a little bit bigger than the Dana 35, so you will have to replace these. But everything else swapped over really easy. Stay tuned for the next video because that's going to be the locker install. I still have to pull the shafts out, press in new studs, and that's going to happen tomorrow. So I'm hoping to get that done, get that video edited up, and probably get that one out hopefully by Tuesday or Wednesday. I'll have that video up. So it'll be a whole set from the axle swap to the locker install to back on the road. But that's going to do it for tonight's video. Make sure if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. Drop a comment if you want. If you got any questions on anything that I did to it, go ahead and hit me up. I read through all the comments and try to get back to you as soon as I can. But like I said, that's going to do it for this video. As far as swapping this thing over, really wasn't as hard as I thought it was going to be. A couple little hang-ups on some things, but nothing that you can't take care of on your own and figure out. Nothing major happened. But that's going to do it. Like I said, make sure you hit that subscribe button, drop a comment, and we'll see you in the next video.